Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to unblock somebody on Facebook. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. First you need to click your profile picture on the top right corner. Then you need to click Settings and Privacy. Click Settings, scroll down to Audience and Visibility and click on Blocking. Now you have to click on Edit next to the block users. And here you can either block people by clicking on the Add to Blog List, or you can also see the people you've blocked by clicking on the See Your Blog List. Now I can see the people I've blocked, and now next to the name of the person you want to unblock, you just click Unblock, and here Facebook explains you what unblocking this person might do. It's also really important, you have to wait 48 hours to be able to block this person again. So now you click Confirm, and this person is unblocked. All in all, this is how you unblock somebody on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.